So who did this, man?
I can't say for sure, Danny, but I don't know who would want to kill your brother.
Don't give me that shit. The streets been talking, and I know damn well y'all listen.
I don't know, man, but I'd rather not get in the middle of this.
You scared of something?
It ain't even like that. It's just the streets been talking about a real dangerous name, and I'd rather not get between that.
The fuck you mean you want to be in the middle of this? I thought you was with me. If that ain't the case, then let me know.
Danny, you know I'm with you. You my brother.
Then give me a name.
Like I said, the streets been talking, and they saying it's a cat named Roman.
Who's Roman?
He's the top supplier out here, and anything you need, he got it. I think your brother got something from him. He just didn't pay him back. He got in too deep.
Give me his contact.
Danny, you know if I do that, it's gonna start a war, right?
My brother is dead, Dre. For all I'm concerned, war's been brought.